Hello, welcome students for chemistry class. Now it is the fifth class. In this class, I am going to explain about mole concept. This mole concept is very important. This mole concept is very important. It will come in class 11th, 12th, wherever it is there, chemistry, from 10th class onwards. So it is very important. Please listen carefully. Mole is just a number. What is dozen? 1 dozen. For 12 objects, we are using 1 dozen. 1 dozen banana, 1 dozen eggs, 1 dozen. Like that, 1 century means 100. 100 runs. So, per 100, we are using century. For 12 objects, we are using dozen. 12 into 12, 144. For 12 dozens, one notation, gross. Like that. This number, for this number, we are using 1 mole. For this number, you are using century. For this number, you are using dozen. 1 dozen apples means 12 apples. 1 dozen eggs means 12 eggs. 1 dozen notebook means 12 notebooks. So, dozen means 12. For representing this 12 number, we are using the number word dozen. For 100, century. Like that, for this number, we are using mole. Mole. Why mole? Why mole? This number, it is very big number. 6.022 means 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 means 6.06022. Next, you have to keep 20 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This much big number, this number. This number is related to mole. Why mole? Atoms and molecules are extremely small. Mole ake. Atoms and molecules are extremely small in size. Their numbers in even a small amount of any substance is really very large. You take 1 drop of water. 1 drop of water contains more than these many molecules. So, because atoms and molecules are extremely small, that's why you are using big number. If item is big, you are there dozen apples. If item is too much big, you are using number is less. Your particle is small, atom or molecule is small, that's why you are taking big number. So, how to define how much exactly is 1 mole? How much exactly 1 mole? You know sheet wall. What is the meaning of sheet wall? Carbon isotope. Carbon 12 isotope. You take this carbon 12 grams. 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope you take. So, this amount is equal to 1 mole. Is equal to 1 mole. A mole of a substance is, this is the definition, the amount of the substance which contains the same number of particles that are present in 12 grams of carbon 12. So 12 grams of carbon 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, in 12 grams of carbon 12, how many particles are there? You take here some substance X, A grams of substance X. Here number of particles are equal to number of particles in 12 grams of carbon 12. So the number of particles in carbon 12 is equal to number of particles in A grams of X, means this amount is equal to 1 mole. Similarly, this amount is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole means 12 grams of carbon. 1 mole means A grams of substance X. Like that. The amount of the substance which contains the same number of particles. Particle means it may be atom or molecule or ion. The amount of the substance which contains same number of particles that are present in 12 grams of carbon 12. This is one definition per mole. Another version is the number of particles present in 12 grams of carbon is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. How many particles are there in 12 grams of carbon? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This number is called Avogadro number, Avogadro constant. This number 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23, it is called Avogadro's number or Avogadro's constant. It is denoted by Na. In 12 grams of carbon, how many atoms are there? Number of atoms in 12 grams of carbon is equal to this number, Avogadro number. So the number of particles, what particle? Atom. The number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This number is called Avogadro number or Avogadro's constant. In 12 grams of carbon, how many number of atoms are there? 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. A mole represents two things. It represents definite number of particles, that means atoms or molecules or ions equal to this number. If number of atoms are equal to this number, then it is called 1 mole. If 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms are there, that is equal to 1 mole of carbon. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 sodium atoms are there, then that amount is called 1 mole of sodium. 1 mole of sodium. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 magnesium atoms are there, that is equal to 1 mole of magnesium. 1 mole of magnesium. Now you can say calcium. Yes, 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. 1 mole of any substance contains these many atoms. That is one. Second one, it represents definite mass of substance equal to gram atomic mass of an element. If it is element, gram atomic mass. If it is a compound, gram molecular mass. 1 mole of element, 1 mole of an element means it is equal to gram atomic mass. One mole of calcium means gram atomic mass is 40 grams. 1 mole of carbon means 12 grams. 1 mole of sodium means element 23 grams. 1 mole of magnesium means 24 grams. If it is a compound, you have to take gram molecular mass. 1 mole of water is H2O. That means you have to take molecular mass 18 grams. 1 mole of H2O means 18 grams. So, gram atomic mass of an element means it is atomic mass expressed in grams. What is the gram atomic mass of oxygen? It is actually gram molecular mass O2. O2. Gram molecular mass of oxygen is 32 O2. Gram molecular mass of compound H2O contains 2H plus 1O. So that is 18 grams. Related to mole concept, these formulas are very important. There are 3 formulas you have to learn. Based on these 3 formulas, some numericals are there. First formula, this N means number of moles. This M means small m, mass of substance. This M means gram molecular mass. This is the first formula related to mole concept. Number of moles is equal to mass of the substance by gram molecular mass. Second formula, number of moles is equal to, this N means number of molecules by N naught means Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. If molecules given, you can calculate moles. If mass given, you can calculate moles. If moles given, here moles given, they asked mass. What is mass? This formula only reverse. Mass, if you want mass, that is equal to number of moles into number of mass is equal to number of moles into capital M. Number of moles into gram molecular mass. You can see some numericals. There are 18 into 0.69 into 10 to the power of 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of H2SO4 in this test tube. Find the number of moles. Here they asked number of moles are how many? Number of moles means N is question mark. They given number of molecules given. Number of molecules is equal to 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23. What is our formula? Number of moles is equal to, can you see this formula? Second formula. Formula 1, formula 2. Formula 2, number of moles is equal to number of molecules by Avogadro number. Number of molecules, that is, this is N by N naught means Avogadro number. 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23 number of molecules by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This one cancelled. Nearly 18, 6, 3 times cancelled. So answer 3 moles. Answer is 3 moles. You will see next question. How many atoms are there in exactly 12 grams of C12? For A, definition, it is definition 12 grams of C12. 12 grams of carbon 12 means 1 mole. In 1 mole, how many atoms are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. What name is given to this number? This number? Avogadro's number. What name given to the amount of the substance containing this number of atoms? If any substance containing this number of atoms, what is the name? Mole. Mole. Understood? Next question. Calculate the mass of these many molecules of oxygen O2. Number of molecules given, O2 given, you have to calculate mass. What is the mass? Mass formula, mass is equal to, actually formula, first formula, number of moles is equal to mass by gram molecular mass. Mass is equal to number of moles into gram molecular mass. So mass is equal to number of moles you don't know, but gram molecular mass of O2 you know, O2 means 2O, 2 into 16, so 32 grams. So N into 32 grams. You have to calculate N. How you will get N? N is equal to these many molecules given. Number of molecules, second formula, number of molecules by Avogadro number. 12.044 into 10 to the power of 25 by Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Here 2 times cancelled. 23, 25. So 2 into 25 minus 23, 10 square. 2 into 10 square means 200. 200 moles. Therefore, mass is equal to number of moles into gram 32. So 200 into 32 grams. You know 2 into 32 64 plus 2 zeros 6400 grams. It is the mass. Next question. What is the number of molecules in 1.5 moles of ammonia? What is second formula? Number of moles is equal to number of molecules by Avogadro number. Now, how to calculate number of molecules? Number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. Number of moles how many given? 1.5. Avogadro number value you know, Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This is roughly 9 into 10 to the power of 23. So these are all these numericals based on formula 1 and formula 2. So okay, thank you. You practice.